In today's review, we're gonna review the Ridge Rider Mountain Coaster in Lake Tahoe. I've ridden this coaster last September, and I'll give you an honest review. Now, before I get to the video, there is no off-ride footage that I could use for the footage for the video. I did not get a chance to make my own off-ride footage, so I'm using a POV from someone, I forgot his name, uh, to share my honest review to use it in the video. So anyway, as you roll out of the station, you will climb this long lift hill. So very long lift hill. Press up to the top, there's gonna be a guy telling you to use the lever for speed and to push it back to slow down. So you technically need to hold on to that lever as you go down. So this is the part where it's actually starting to pick up speed and actually fun. This was actually a fun roller coaster. This is absolutely not my favorite roller coaster, but you do get a nice view from the mountain. Look at all those trees and all the other mountains. A very beautiful view. You just go through the trees, you go zigzag, and then you go to this helix or spiral, and this gives you a lot of G's. And actually, when I rode this, there was actually a lady right in front of me, so I had to slow down. So it wasn't really that fun, but it's still fun. But it just kind of ruined the experience for me that there was a lady right in front of me, because I wanted to go like ultra fast on that part. But you have to slow down when somebody's in front of you. But you basically control your own speed. So then you will keep going down into, I think, 2 helixes, and then the ride will be over soon. So right here is where you kind of slow down. It was fun. I know it's, a little short, but there's a lot actually in Tennessee that I've looked up online. So you slow down here, and yeah, the ride is over. It was absolutely fun. I love this roller coaster, but after I've ridden this, I kind of feel like Steel Vengeance is still my favorite, but this sure packs a punch. So I'm gonna rate this coaster a 5. It was really fun. I highly recommend it. So, yeah.